Do you need a powerful and reliable landscaping rake for your skid steer loader and mini loader? The Digga Power Rake is a fully hydraulic tool used for grading, levelling and raking. It's also often used for cleaning building sites, de-thatching lawns, removing old lawns and for preparing your ground for turfing. Also often used for clearing firebreaks and for windrowing debris. Now the bi-directional drum actually moves the soil in two directions, so it's perfect for pulverizing and preparing your ground for laying new seedbed or turf. So the Power Rake comes in three widths. You've got 1800 and 2300 wide for your skid steer loaders and a 1200 wide for your mini loaders. And on all of them they come with a heavy duty frame which makes them more reliable and a robust attachment. For ease of use on different surfaces, the Digga Power Rake can be angled 20 degrees in either direction with manual and hydraulic slew options available. So the removable side plates, while left on, will continue to circulate your spoil, filling low spots, while once removing the side plates, you can windrow your debris or excess spoil. The adjustable curtain allows you to control the size of the particles that move over the drum and onto the ground. So larger particles will continue to be pulverized and broken down until their size allows them to move between the drum and the curtain back onto the ground. Another great feature is the dual direct drive motors, which are housed and protected inside the drum to deliver up to 40% more power, which makes it perfect for site cleaning. Its foldable legs and removable wheels also make it easy for storage and transport. Digga also provides a Harley rake, generally used for the same purpose. However, it's more of a finessing tool for your optimum final finish preparation. It's mainly used for golf courses, lawn care and wineries. So if you have any questions or you want to know more, give us a call. Otherwise, follow us on Instagram, YouTube and Facebook, and we'll talk to you soon.